సో మీ ల్యాప్టాప్ ఓపెన్ చేసి హిస్టరీ చూస్తే ఎక్కువ ఏం సైట్స్ ఉంటాయి?
Google stroke Nikisha Patel. Google stroke Nikisha Patel. Google. That's it. No, I am very fond of, like, you know, I am constantly not on my laptop, I'm on my iPad every night just Googling the most random things, like the most weirdest websites or the most weirdest facts, or like I'll be checking to see what's happening in the industry, or who wore what, or this is a nice dress. I'm proper chick type, you know, but I like to find out a lot of things. I'll be like, oh my god,
checking and observing again.
Yes, and I'm constantly on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I've become very obsessed with it recently. Touchwood, hopefully that moment is gonna go, because I'm fed up of, like, you know, every time it pings my phone, I'm like, my phone, you know. Right now I feel so alone without my phone sitting in this interview.
So now mama also coming with shootings? Your mama also there with you?
My mother has been on my shooting spot once in Komarampuli, and she was really excited in the morning, and because this was an outdoor location, she got completely fed up by afternoon. She loves South Indian food. So that day I said, what, do you want to order something from outside? She goes, no, what is in the tiffin that they gave on set? She had nice idli, dosa, everything, and she was like, you know, I feel hungry now, God. But she was like happy in the morning till afternoon. She got so fed up, even though I gave her an umbrella, which is very typical. She's like, I can't handle this weather and stuff. So she sat in the room a half day more, and then she was like, yeah, you know, I said, do you want to come tomorrow? She said, no, I think I'll go shopping or something like that. So she came for one day and that's it. She never ever been on my sets ever again.
What are the 5 things that you want to do in future? Like, you want to write in diary?
Yeah. In the future, I definitely want to get married. I'm serious. Why everybody is laughing? What is there to laugh about? Am I the first person to say that?
Yeah,
Am I like marriage material?
You have any crush? In industry crush?
Yeah, I had a huge crush on Tiger Shroff when he first came on screen.
Okay.
Which was Hero Panti. He was my...
That's a Telugu movie actually. Parugu.
Yes, correct. It was a remake of a Telugu film. And I had a huge crush on him the first time. I said, he has amazing smile. So I'm looking for a husband like him. And Tiger, if you're watching, you know...
6-pack.
Anyway, so 5 things that I want to do.
Yeah, that's first thing.
I want to get married. I want to have kids is the second thing. 2 kids. And
1 boy and girl, 2 boys, 2 girls.
No, I wouldn't
but 2
discriminate
kids.
that. But I want 2 children, yeah. I want to get into business after my acting career. And I want to constantly holiday. And the 5th thing is, I always want to be with my family, because I have been in India for almost 9 years now. I feel like I have missed out so much with my family, because we're all young still, you know. We can do so much, go on holiday, chill, chat, fight, go to restaurants, do everything, you know. And I feel like now that, you know, everybody's starting to get a bit old, and like there's a lot of things that people won't be able to do, or don't have the energy, or, you know, one day somebody's ill, and one day, you know, someone's cribbing because of old age or whatever it is. So I feel like it's starting to change now, and I do feel really upset that I've not been able to. I go back to see my parents once or twice a year in Wales. Otherwise, I have no family whatsoever in India. Not a single family. I have my mom's sister who stays in Vapi, but we don't really connect so much. But they're probably the closest family to me here. But I miss my parents like crazy. I really miss my family. So that's the 5th thing I want to do, is always be with my family the minute I leave India. I don't like to go back to Britain as much because of the weather, and, you know, it's a 9-to-5 job, and I've been there, I've done that. I want to just explore US or Australia, or see what it's like in other countries. But because my parents are there, I want to go back. It's not like I don't have a choice. I have a choice, but I want to go back.
That's great. What do you do when you get free time?
I read books.
That's your hobby?
I do. I have, yeah. I love books, yeah. I will read the first chapter, put it down, and never look at that book again. But I like collecting books. And just to look intellectual, I'll say I read books. I'm reading Barack Obama's autobiography and stuff. Barack Obama's autobiography, I read the first half of the chapter. I've never seen that book again. It's somewhere on my bookshelf. I dance a lot. I love dancing. I go to the gym now. I've become very obsessed, and I constantly message. Even if I want to message that person or not, I'll just drop a message to everybody and just be like, "Hey, what's up? What are you doing?" Nobody will reply, but
Who is your best friend in industry?
I don't have a best friend, but I have quite a lot of friends. I don't want to mention a person's name, but I think this girl is. I don't think it comes from her side that I'm probably one of her close friends, but for me, she's one of my close friends because I've seen her life. I've been through a lot with her, and I somehow understand her, and I relate to her as well. I don't want to mention names, but yeah, I seem to connect with her a lot, so I would call her my closest friend. Hi, this is Nikisha Patel. Welcome to iDream Media. For more videos, subscribe to iDream Media.
When you watch any gossips on you, మీ మీద ఏదైనా gossips వచ్చినప్పుడు మీరు చూస్తే, what's your reaction?
Gossips on me. Firstly, I laugh. My expression will be like, depends what the gossip is. I haven't had many gossip. You tell me what you heard. What gossip? What gossip are you talking about?
Yeah, like media is like that, no? So actors, there are a lot of gossips on there.
The only thing I took very seriously about what media said to me once, and I remember when Farooq Roadlo audio function, people started criticizing me. You know, my hair went blonde